Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make pastel. It's a Brazilian food similar to empanada. It's very good. Let's go to the recipe. To make the dough, we need 2 cups of flour, 1 spoon of oil, and 1 spoon of vinegar, and 1 cup of warm water. I choose for the filling cheese and tomato because I am vegetarian. Let's go. The first step, we need to put everything inside and mix it up. Warm water. One spoon. So you guys need to keep mixing to look like this, and after that you're gonna open the dough. Now the trick is you need to put a little bit of flour so it doesn't stick. So after open the dough, we need to make some squares to put the filling in, and I will show you guys. Now we're gonna put the filling in, how much you want. A little bit cheese and close. That's it guys, bon appetit!